For today's property tour, we are going to be previewing floor plan Willow in the community of Opus by Taylor Morrison. Let's see if this home is a right fit for you. Let's get started. My name is Romero Fragoso. I am a Las Vegas realtor and I specialize in new construction. If this is your first time to my channel, what I do on my channel is I tour all the newest communities here throughout the Las Vegas area to show you what builders are offering so you can decide if the home and community is right for you. If this is something you're interested, subscribe to my channel. Also tap that bell for notification. That way you don't miss any upcoming tours. Buying a new build is exciting, but there is a lot to consider. There's pricing, there's incentives, there's what is included with your home. That's what I'm here for, to help you through the process and to find that perfect home for you. For today's tour, we are in the community of Opus by Taylor Morrison in Henderson, the master plan of Cadence. And in this community, they actually have two different collections. So they have the collection Melanie and Harmony, and each collection has 5 different floor plans. So let me give you some details about this community. So here, like I mentioned, 10 different floor plans here available. They range from 1,856 square feet to up to 2,784 square feet. And they range from 3 to up to 6 bedrooms. And they also have either 2-story, even up to 3-story homes here in this community. Also, this community is located in the southeast of Las Vegas. So you're gonna be about 25 minutes to the strip, you're 20 minutes to the airport, and about 20 minutes to downtown Las Vegas. And average lot size here in this community is around 35 to 4,000 square foot lots. HOA is $75. And what does the HOA include? It has, you have trails, you're gonna have Olympic sized community pools, parks, barbecue areas, dog parks, and much more. Also here, lot premiums, they range from $0 to up to $40,000. So it just kind of depends on the lot you go with. Also for upgrades, you will hear us mention the base price. That is just the base price, guys. So you'd have to add the lot premiums if there is, and also account for any upgrades. So here in this community, I would say about 10 to 15% additional to that base price. And I'll give you a rough idea of the upgrades you go with. Now, let's check out the model home to see if it's the right fit for you. All right, guys, so welcome to floor plan Willow in the community of Melanie by Taylor Morrison in Henderson. And this one comes either a 4 to up to 6 bedroom, 3.5 to up to 4 bathrooms. It is 2,784 square feet. And starting base price for this one is $555,900. Like I said earlier, guys, does not include your upgrades or your lot premiums. Windy day over here. Wow, look at this. So let's give you, obviously right here, you got your pavers in your driveway. Also, keep in mind, guys, when you do buy a new construction home, the front landscaping will be included. What will not be included is gonna be your backyard landscaping. So let's go. Also, really quick, guys, I just did a property tour on Spruce. You wanna check it out, I have the link on your top right-hand screen. So this one has the front entrance here off to the side. Here's your front entrance. All right. So as soon as you come in, guys, immediately, the first thing you see is the kitchen. Out to the right, you got the dining and the living room area. So first, since we're right here, and then really quick, then you have an office, or actually a bedroom here downstairs. So you're gonna have one bedroom over there and the primary bedroom over there. So, all right, so let's start off with this kitchen. Keep in mind, guys, highly upgraded. It is a model home. You know, we always tell people at least upgrade flooring, because if you don't upgrade flooring, you're gonna get carpet all throughout, except like your wet areas, like your bathrooms, laundry room, and your kitchen. Everything else will be carpet. Here you have the quartz countertop. You got the brown cabinets, and you got the microwave, oven, countertop, 5-burner stove, refrigerator. You got your pantry over there. We'll check it out. Look at this, your sink, dishwasher. I do love how, obviously this is an upgrade, but you have the quartz, and then you have, you know, it continues onto the backsplash all the way up. Definitely digging that. Your pantry. And before I forget, let me just show you this closet right here. Coat closet. 9-foot ceilings. Here is your dining room area. And over here, got your living room. Not bad, right? Today's gonna be a little different since the primary bedroom is downstairs. Let's check that out. So, here it is, look at this. Plenty of space. Definitely digging that, look at that. So you have just 2 windows. You have one right there, and then this bigger one right here off to the right. But the bed is a king size bed, just to give you guys reference. Nightstands on left hand side, I don't know, a little bit over 2 feet wide, I would say. Don't hold me up to that, but guys, give you guys a view from this angle. Yeah. And right behind me, guys, is the primary bathroom. So dual vanity, quartz countertop. Got this spa shower. Look at this, guys. Absolutely stunning. So here they have, you know, just for your reference, the Willow floor plan, you know, the optionals. Right now, how it is here on the right has modeled. But you could choose to have it with the combination. You know, you're gonna have your stand up with, you know, that bathtub. It just depends kind of what you want. So if you want to upgrade, you'll get this. This is what an upgrade looks like. If not, then you're gonna have the combination bath shower. Look at this. I do love how it has that bench right there. No waterfall. Look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. In my opinion, you may think it's ugly, I don't know. And then right over here, toilet and your closet. Look at this. Definitely not the biggest, but it's big enough for me. But I know some of you watching and they'd be like, oh man, that's too small for me. Let me know what you think. Then here, you have a linen closet. All right, so let me show you the backyard. Unfortunately, I can't walk back there because they have them locked. But I'll do my best to show you from here, from the slider. So covered patio, let me discuss what you get. So standard, you will get a covered patio, but half of this size, like I would say right here, that way. And let me show you. So right now, as modeled, it's the whole from one end of the house to the other end. But the standard, as you see right here, pretty much the half. So let me know what you would go with. I mean, it's nice to have that extended patio, especially here in Vegas, guys. I just wish I could go out there. Average lot size here, 3,500 square foot, around 4,000 square foot lots. And, you know, like I mentioned, they do range from $0 to up to 40K. But I mean, let me know what you guys think. Do like how it does have, you know, pre-wiring for outdoor ceiling fan. But let me show you before I head to the bedroom on the other side of the house. Living, dining, and kitchen from this angle. Sometimes it looks different from different angles, right? So now let's go off to this side. And then here off to the right, second floor. So this door right here is to 2-car garage, locked. Won't be checking out, but just know it's there. And here is your laundry room. It's laundry room, the first floor, storage cabinets, and then you also do have a linen closet in here, along with your smart panel box right there for your internet and cable, all the goodies that we need nowadays to survive, right? We all need internet. Linen closet. I absolutely do love these 9-foot ceilings, especially the tall doors as well. The 8-foot doors complements very well with the high ceilings. Powder room. And then, so this one right now is set up as an office. But if you do want it, so if you do want to convert this into the another bedroom, you may, right? Because I mean, you have some space right there. I'm assuming this either might be your closet or that may be your closet. But and then this powder room that's here on the first floor will be a full bathroom at that point if you do convert this into a bedroom. So if you're staying down here, don't worry, you will have your own shower. So now let's head up to the second floor. As we head upstairs, guys, I want to share something critical if you're considering a new build home. So it's vital to bring me or a trusted realtor along with you on your very first visit to the builder, guys. Because if we're not there from the start, the builder may prevent us assisting later. And people ask me, guys, why is it so important? And it's a really good question. A lot of people don't know, guys. So unlike the builder's agents who are there to protect the builder's interest, I'm dedicated to you. So my role is to ensure you secure the best deal, sidestep any common pitfalls, and protect your interest every step of the way, guys. So if you would like a seasoned realtor by your side, and I hope that's me, guys, reach out anytime, guys. Here to help. I'll have my contact info below. Let's make this exciting journey smooth, savvy, and fun for you guys. But look at this, guys. You have 2 lofts, an enormous one on this side, then another one on that side. So as modeled, it's modeled as a 4-bedroom. And I think so. Don't hold me to it. We'll find out right now together, guys. Yeah, I believe it's a 4-bedroom, but if you do want 6-bedroom, guys, you are gonna lose some loft space. So I will have the floor plan on your screen so you can check it out. That if you do convert it to a bedroom, not exactly how it is, but I'll look that up when I post this video. You'll have it on your screen. But yeah, I mean, look at this. This is huge. I think, me personally, I would want it how it's modeled. That's just me. Look at this. Stunning. All right, 9-foot ceilings also upstairs. Let's go over here. Linen closet. Then bedroom. I'll show you that balcony in just a second. I wish I could go out there, but unfortunately I can't, because just, the builder, just for safety issues, people do come check out these model home with their kids, and you just never know what kids could do nowadays, right? But right now, as modeled, you have the extended deck. So I'm assuming This is definitely does not come standard. Look at this. I mean, if you can afford it, get the deck, guys. Just get it. No gloomy day. But I mean, here it is, right? Look at. So it is optional and extended covered. So depending on probably how you do that patio on the bottom, because underneath this is you got the covered patio in the backyard. So just do extended, guys. You won't regret it. Hallway bathroom. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. So you got the combination bath and stand-up shower. You got the tile backsplash. Really nice. Then here off to the right, got another bedroom. This. Would say that's probably like a full-size bed. I don't know if it's queen, but definitely like a full. This. And then here's some more info. So this kind of explains it, right? I believe, right? Model, extended, upgrade. If not, you get the standard like in the beginning, but just probably have a balcony in this bedroom only, not the other bedroom. So let me know how you guys would do it. Definitely love to hear your thoughts about that. Then here's the bedroom. Okay, so this is the bedroom suite. I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a second, but check this out. Really beautiful. Because over here, you're gonna have your own bathroom. Single vanity, got the combination bath and stand-up shower as well. Can lighting. Then you have your walk-in closet. Not too big, but that's something, right? And then you have some cabinet storage here, maybe for like some linen, whatever you want. But this is it, guys. This is Plan Willow and Melanie by Taylor Morrison and Henderson in the master plan of Cadence. If you guys would like to come schedule a property tour or have any questions or anything I can help you guys out with, I will have my contact info below. Also, guys, do me a huge favor. If you guys enjoyed this tour, like the video, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss any upcoming tours. Till next time, guys.